apa kabar? Jumpa lagi dengan saya Isabella Gosali. Hari ini saya sedang berada di 31 Sudirman Suites Makassar. Dan saat ini saya ingin mengajak kalian untuk melihat unit terbaru yang sangat eksklusif dan sangat-sangat spesial. Kenapa? Karena unit ini dirancang oleh desainer terkenal loh. Penasaran kan? Mari ikut saya. Nah, tadi saya udah cerita mengenai unit yang sangat spesial dari 31 Sudirman Suites karena didesain khusus oleh desainer terkenal. Dan saat ini saya sudah bersama dengan Pak Alex Bayu yang mendesain The Signature Collection by Alex Bayu. Okay, Pak Alex, really nice to finally meet you. How are you today?
Very well. Hi, Ella.
Today we're gonna talk about the unit that you designed so beautifully, the Signature Collection by Alex Bayu. Can you tell me more about the theme and the concept that you choose for this unit?
When Paradise Group contacted me to create a unit for Makassar, I was thinking probably I want to bring something fresh, something new that even myself probably I haven't really seen it on my own. So I thought of mixing a little bit of European eclectic into it, the contemporary European, not the traditional one. I want to introduce the new way of living. As we as a human, we've been evolving in the way how we live in our society, how we interact in living room, how we have our dinner or lunch, and how we prepare our food and when we're resting. So we thought of bringing that into Sudirman 31 in how we apply the theme and the look here. And first thing what we do is actually taking the existing unit that's already been prepared by the developer, and we actually designing a clothes for it. So we didn't tear down anything, we didn't modify anything, everything as it is. What we have done is only adding cladding, which means adding clothing, and that's define how the style that we bring in today. We want something very